Okay, so now we are going to have a very small lab on Egress FQDN, just to get a feel of it really. So the problem statement is as follows: PU2DB, which is the workload here, the one on the right, um, needs to get updates by running sudo apt-get update, sudo apt-get upgrade. No other egress traffic should be allowed. So this is what they need us to configure. An Aviatrix gateway has already been deployed. So you can see an egress gateway has already been deployed next to BU2DB, and the BU2DB owner has raised a complaint that the connectivity is broken, meaning that they are not able to issue the commands. So let us get into BU2DB and see the problem. Okay, so now I just SSH'd into BU2DB and I will try the two commands, sorry, the sudo apt-get update, and I will try to see what's going to happen. Apparently, it's not working. I can see 0%. It does seem to have a problem connecting. So let me try the other one, which is the sudo apt-get upgrade. And again, both of these seem not to be working. So let me go to Copilot and try to see what I can find. So if I go to Egress and I go to Overview, here this is going to be very high level, but it shows me some stats on, we're trying to get to ubuntu.com, which is obviously because we are trying these commands basically are trying to do some upgrades. So even here, you can see some of the domains we're connecting to Azure Archive, ubuntu.com. So, but can we get a bit deeper? So if we go to the monitor, and I can specify the spoke 2 egress, again, because I am in the Azure spoke 2. This is Azure, so this is spoke 1, this is spoke 2. So I'm concerned about spoke 2, and I can clearly see that this is my source IP. This is the machine I'm on. So if I go and do ifconfig, I can IP link. Okay, so I probably need to, I won't be able to install it, but I can assure you, because even when I SSH, I actually SSH to 212.36. So this is my IP address, and I was trying to go to azure.archive.ubuntu.com, and I was matched. However, the action was actually denied. And this explains why all of these denies when I was trying to run both of these commands. So what I can do, yeah, so this is even a live view, right? So this only shows the ones that are very, that are just happening. I don't know if I can even show another one. So this will show up in a minute. Yeah, even you can see the live view now has the latest one showing again the deny. So now I can go to the controller again. This is still something that is configured on the controller, at least the old model. And there is a page called Egress, so I can even search here on Egress, which is the page I'm on. And I can see that the gateway, again, we're looking at Azure Spoke 2, has the rule that is the ACE Ubuntu patches. Okay, so ACE Ubuntu patches has a deny model. And if I try to see what it contains ubuntu.com, so it allows anything .ubuntu.com. However, it is a deny rule, which means these are being denied and everything else is being allowed, which is if I do a curl, for example, to ESPN.com, this is working. If I do a curl to Aviatrix.com, this is all working. It's only these sites that are not working. However, the requirement was that they only wanted the updates to work and nothing else should be allowed, which means that they want the allow model because they want the updates to Ubuntu to work and everything else to actually be denied. Okay, so now that I've changed the policy, I'm curious to go and try the other sudo apt-get updates. And now you can clearly see that it is actually working. Okay, and now if I do an upgrade, you can directly see that an upgrade is actually happening. Okay, and if I go to, again, Copilot, and now you can see that I am having allowed as a result of the change I have made to the policy. Okay, so again, this is a very small lab, but the idea is to get a feel of egress filtering, understand the policy, understand the allow model, the deny model, and understand how you can have ability from Copilot on what is happening for that particular request. Okay, so that marks the end of the egress filtering lab.